Hi, so we're looking at multiples in this video today. Now what multiples are basically numbers that you get, or the solution that you get after multiplying a number by an integer. An easy way of showing this or explaining this is through times tables. So the results that we're getting from the times tables here, so we look at our 7 times tables. The results we get from our 7 times tables here will be multiples of 7. So 7 times 1 is 7, 7 times 2 is 14, 7 times 3 is 21, 7 times 4 is 28, and it can keep on going down, 35, 42, and it can keep on going. So when the question says, what's the multiples of 7? Well, the multiples of 7 are the answers we've got here. So 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42 are all multiples of 7, and it can keep on going. If we were to look at, say, the multiples of 3, again, we can use times tables to help us out here. So 1 times 3 is 3, 2 times 3 is 6, 3 times 3 is 9, 4 times 3 is 12, and again you can keep on going down. So they're all the multiples of 3. Now where you may see this is a question like this, where it says find the LCM of 4 and 6. Now what LCM means here is lowest common multiple. So we will need to list the multiples of 4 and 6 in order to find the lowest common one between the two. So we need to list them out in sequence here. So we start with 4. So we've got 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24. Now they're all multiples of 4. So what we need to do now is we've listed out the multiples of 4. We need to list out the multiples of 6. So 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, and it goes on. So what we need to do here is find the lowest common multiple, meaning which number appears in both of the sequences. Well, obviously 4 doesn't appear in 6. 8 isn't a multiple of 6, so that's not going to be in there. However, we can see that 12 is. So we've got a 12 here, and we've got a 12 here. So there's one common multiple. It can keep on going, so again, there's no 16 or 20, but we can see that there's a 24 is another common multiple in the sequence. So we've got 24 here and 24 here. Now, what LCM means, though, is the lowest common one. So which one appears first in the sequence? Well, 12 here appears first in the sequence. So this one, LCM of 4 and 6 is equal to 12. So 12 is the lowest common multiple of 4 and 6. Thanks.